So, hi, my name is Efren Luna. I'm a local visual artist and educator and also arts advocate. So, I'm here to represent Latinos in Action California. We were one of the organizations who received this grant. We created, or our youth, it was a mural that our youth created. So I was helping, volunteering to direct this as an artist. Our mural is located at Latinos in Action's office, 14th Street and Pine. If you can see it, it'll be great. The mural was a process of the youth coming together, different workshops, different presentations, to instill the message of climate change and sustainability and how it affects their community and things that they can do to address the issue. So I was very fortunate to be part of this and see how the youth got together and had ideas to address this issue. So our mural is considered an art installation because it does have an element that it has QR code where you can scan it and see the interview or the students actually, the youth explaining from their perspective how the issue impact them and their community and their ideas on how to address the issue. So it's a very unique project in that sense that it's not just the mural. The mural itself is just trees, kind of like green, and it catches your attention because it's nice and colorful. But once you look at the information or scan it, you'll be able to see the voice or hear the voice of the students or the youth. So Amanda, who's here, is our youth leader who was in charge of this as far as like the youth, and there were a lot of youth who participated. It was like a month-long project. So students came from different areas of the city, and some of them are in after-school program today, so they couldn't make it today. But I do want to, show my gratitude and also, invite you guys to come check it out when you guys are driving by the park, that area. It helps to not only beautify the area, but also like the message, which is what this is all about. Because the youth will carry that message into the future, they'll be on that side later on, and they'll have this consciousness, right? So I just want to express my gratitude for being part of that, and also to our youth, and not only our organization, but also all the youth who were part of this. So please continue to do this for more youth, and I want to say thank you to everybody.